In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any voice talk slower in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to guide the AI to take its time, add pauses, and deliver your lines at a calmer pace without needing any complicated settings. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. Then open the official ElevenLabs website from the results. Once you're on the site, look for the text-to-speech section and click into it. This is where you'll write your script and control how the voice performs. Inside the editor, start by typing the text you want spoken. To make the voice slow down, give it clear pacing instructions directly in your script. The simplest way is to add a bracketed direction like slowly. You can put it at the very beginning to influence the whole passage, or place it right before a specific sentence or phrase that you want delivered at a slower tempo. 11. Labs treats bracketed cues as performance directions, so they won't be read aloud, but they will affect the delivery. Next, use punctuation to create natural pauses. Ellipses, or several periods in a row, are a great way to signal breathing room and beat changes. For example, please read this. Slowly, take your time, and make each idea clear. Those dots tell the model to insert small breaks, which helps the speech feel measured instead of rushed. A quick tip here: use pauses intentionally. Too many periods can make the reading sound choppy. It's usually better to add breaks at moments where a real speaker would pause. Before generating audio, change the model to V3 in the model selector. V3 is designed to follow pacing cues and prosody changes more reliably, so your bracketed directions and punctuation are more likely to have the effect you want. Now, click Generate Speech and listen to the result. If it's still a bit fast, add another, slowly, right before the lines that need extra room, or lengthen a pause by adding an extra dot or two. If it feels too drawn out, remove a few periods or move the slowly cue so it applies only where it's most needed. Small tweaks go a long way. That's all you need. Find ElevenLabs on Google, open text-to-speech, write your script with slowly and well-placed periods, switch the model to V3, and generate. With those simple adjustments, you can make almost any voice talk slower, more clearly, and with the pacing you had in mind.